This slide introduces Section 10, Practical Applications and Case Studies in Procurement and Strategic Sourcing. In this section, we will move from theory to real-world implementation, examining how organizations apply procurement strategies in practice. The focus will be on practical tools, decision-making frameworks, and case studies that demonstrate measurable business impact. This slide presents a case study on strategic sourcing in the automotive sector. An Indian OEM was facing high costs and supply delays for sheet metal components. The procurement team conducted a spend analysis, identified rate variations across plants, and centralized sourcing through category management. They used an RFI/RFP process with a total cost of ownership approach and negotiated long-term contracts with price adjustment clauses. This structured strategy helped reduce costs and improve supply stability. This slide summarizes the results of the strategic sourcing initiative in the automotive case study. The supplier base was optimized from 45 to 25 vendors, improving control and efficiency. Average component costs were reduced by 11%, and lead time decreased significantly from 18 days to 10 days. Additionally, collaboration improved through shared forecasts, creating a more responsive and reliable supply chain. This slide presents a case study on procurement excellence in the FMCG sector. A global company faced inconsistent packaging costs across regions. To address this, they implemented a global e-procurement platform, consolidated vendors regionally and globally, introduced supplier performance scorecards with sustainability KPIs, and conducted value analysis workshops with suppliers. As a result, they achieved 8% cost reduction, improved on-time delivery by 20%, and reduced logistics-related carbon emissions by 15%. This slide explains a case study on e-procurement implementation in manufacturing. The company previously managed purchases manually through email and Excel, leading to delays and poor visibility. They implemented SAP Ariba, trained employees and suppliers, standardized procure-to-pay workflows, and integrated ERP for automated GRN and invoice matching. As a result, PO cycle time reduced from 12 to 4 days, duplicate orders were eliminated, audit time decreased significantly, and overall transparency and supplier satisfaction improved. This slide highlights key procurement KPIs and dashboards used to monitor performance. Important metrics include cycle time to measure efficiency, cost savings percentage to track financial impact, supplier defect rate to ensure quality, contract adherence for compliance, and ESG score to assess sustainability performance. These KPIs help organizations make data-driven decisions and continuously improve procurement outcomes. This slide explains the role of dashboards and analytics in procurement. Modern teams use tools like Power BI, Tableau, or SAP Analytics Cloud to monitor spend, supplier performance, risk, and compliance in real time. By integrating multiple KPIs into a single dashboard, organizations can identify trends, detect risks early, and make proactive, data-driven decisions. For example, a pharmaceutical company combined spend, supplier risk, and compliance metrics into one dashboard to improve visibility and control. This slide outlines the capstone project on developing a sourcing strategy, based on the Unilever Sustainable Living Plan case. Learners will apply procurement concepts to create a comprehensive sourcing strategy for a selected category. Key steps include spend and supplier analysis, market assessment, risk evaluation, strategy selection, negotiation planning with BATNA, and defining performance monitoring KPIs. The final deliverable is a structured sourcing strategy report and a presentation to management or an evaluation panel. This slide presents a mini case study on public sector procurement reform through the government e-marketplace GeM in India. GeM was launched to enhance transparency, efficiency, and digital procurement in government departments. It offers over 1.5 crore products, has processed transactions worth more than 4 Indian rupees lakh crore, and has removed intermediaries while increasing MSME participation. The key lesson is that digitization and transparency strengthen trust, improve efficiency, and promote inclusive economic growth.